Alright, well this is episode 2 of Abandoned Lawnmower Revival. Probably today we're going to do gas and air. So let's get to it. I've got my socket set here. These are the little sockets. I don't think that it's very big. Got my needle nose pliers to remove those gas clamps and gloves because it sat outside for a long while. Who knows what's in there. Alright, I've got my gloves and I've got the right socket. So, let's get this thing undone. Here's what we're working with. We've got that little fuel filter. We'll probably just replace that one because I'm sure that one will break if I touch it. And get some spray crap on these clamps so they open, and then should be good to go. Nice. Let me get my pliers. Goody. Well, that looks absolutely wonderful. There's wires going everywhere, and I have no idea what any of them go to. Oh, and by the way, this actually isn't made by Poulon. I think it was made by they make appliances. They don't make lawnmowers. So, I probably can't even find a good wiring diagram for this thing. Oh boy. You'll see that in there? It's like a bunch of bugs and old crap, and that's a lot of gasoline sludge. Woo! Alright, so we did a similar treatment for Frank when we got him. So we've got this oil eater, and it worked really well for getting that gas sludge out. So I'm gonna go ahead and pour that in there real quick. Only a little bit though. And probably let that sit for a little while. I added a little bit of water, and as always, use proper safety glasses and shake this thing up. Oh, there's a sludge mixture coming out the end of the line. Well, that's good. That means it's eaten through enough to where it's dripping. Oh yeah, there was also a little incident with the water. It didn't. So I cut the fuel filter off the end, and I can confirm that the tank is good, which is great. Because if not, that'd be a real pain to find another. And I think it's fairly clean for now. I'll have to do a little bit more. Alright, so I'm back out. It's now the next day. Sounds like somebody tried to pass a semi-truck on the highway. Anyway, let's go ahead and break these loose. We gotta take the top off of it. It's probably got rat crap in there and all that sort of stuff. Well, I got the hood taken off. I don't know what these are though. These right there? No idea what those are. And it seems they're in there so tight that my screwdriver won't get it. they're in there real good.